Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. For our Blu-ray update of the week, today we're going to talk about Dumbo. Some of you may know this movie has already been released in other countries, but it's the first time ever in high definition Blu-ray here in the US. It is a 2-disc combo Blu-ray and DVD. DVD is region 1 and Blu-ray is region A locked. So let me show you, here comes with a slipcover, very colorful, glossy, embossed, really nice. Here's the back cover. And also comes with the code for your Disney movie rewards. So let's open here and let me show you the disc and artwork. It is exactly the same thing as the other release from other countries, so don't worry, it has the same audio and special features. Disney Blu-ray Dumbo. Here we have the code for your movie rewards. A booklet and the 3D in 4 easy steps. It's the same booklet that comes in every single Disney movie. So here we have the DVD, region 1, just plain basic in grayish, and here all colorful, really nice design is the Blu-ray. As I mentioned before, it is region A locked. Let me show you the booklet. For November 1st we're gonna have a combo pack of Cars 2, and also we're gonna have in Blu-ray 3D. Here already talking about the newest DVD of Beauty and the Beast. Also in DVD Prep and Landing. The Lion King. Pixie Hollow Games. November 2011. And Paint You on Dumbo. And Spooky Buddies for Blu-ray and DVD September 20th. Okay, so let me give you a close-up of the special features here. It has over 30 minutes of special features in high definition, and also English DTS Master Audio 7.1, English Dolby Surround, and also French and Spanish in Dolby Digital 5.1. Although it says in the slipcover region 3 ABC, that's a print mistake. This is a region A locked edition. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos, and stay tuned for much more Blu-ray updates every week right here at Blue Collection.